News Channel 5 investigates a fall from grace for one Nashville judge. Tonight, Casey Moreland receives his prison sentence. This is News Channel 5 at 6. And we begin with breaking news. A former Nashville judge sentenced to more than 3 years in prison.
It's a case News Channel 5 Investigates has been following for some time now. Ben Hall joins us live from the federal courthouse. Ben, Casey Moreland must also pay restitution.
That's right. He must pay $18,000 on top of 3.5 years in prison for obstruction of justice and theft while he was a judge. Now, prosecutors said this was one of the worst cases, most shocking cases of misconduct by a public official this district has ever seen. Now, again, this sentence just came down a few moments ago, and here's what officials from the FBI and U.S. Attorney's Office had to say about it when they came out and spoke with us a few moments ago.
Anytime that the public's trust is eroded in what they think of their government, what they think of the integrity of our system, it's a scourge, and we're here to ensure that those things aren't tolerated.
Here's somebody who is going to trade a judicial robe for a prison jumpsuit. And 3.5 or a little bit more than that is a serious sentence. We asked for 5, as you said. That's what we hoped for, but this is a serious sentence for someone who was on the bench.
Now, Moreland stood before the judge in federal court in jail clothing before he was sentenced and apologized to the people of Davidson County. He said they deserved better. Now, earlier, before Moreland apologized in court, his wife testified. She took the stand and said her husband's mental and physical health had deteriorated. Moreland is 60 years old, and he will spend 3.5 years in prison. Prosecutors said the tough sentence was important because some people are losing faith in the criminal justice system. Some people believe there is one system for wealthy, connected people and another system for everyone else. So prosecutors wanted a tough sentence. Prosecutors asked for 5 years here. The defense asked for less than 3. Judge Crenshaw came in at 3.5 years, so right there in the middle. And again, 3.5 years, $18,000 in restitution for theft, stealing cash from the Drug Court Foundation, and for obstruction of justice. We'll have more on this at 10 o'clock.
Ben, thank you.